How to install a Troy-Bilt Lawn Bagger. Troy-Bilt lawnmowers often have a bag attachment. The bag fits onto the back of the mower to catch grass clippings as you work in the yard. To prevent damage to the machine or to the bag, proper installation and use of the bag is a necessity. Always use the correct bag for your model and avoid cutting grass when it is wet and heavy. This prevents clogging that may wear down the blades and the engine of your Troy-Bilt mower. Insert the rod frame that come with the bag into the open slots in the bag. Slide the rods in until the square end of the frame touches the bag. Slide the plastic channel catch on the bag over the metal frame to secure it in place. Lift up the plastic flap at the back of the mower to expose the blade. Slide the metal catch on the end of the metal assembly on the bag onto the pivot rod underneath a plastic flap. Let go of the plastic flap so that it rests on the bag.